Good morning.
Good morning. Gorgeous.
Absolutely dreamy, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, the lake surrounded by the river. Oh, dude, the coffee plantations are now
They're
clearing
now,
up.
yeah, clearing up,
Clearing
right?
up, yeah. Absolutely dreamy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. I think we still have one last this thing to go there. Woohoo! We're literally off-roading, aren't we?
Yeah. And we are cycling after so long,
You know,
right?
when was the last time we actually went cycling?
It was very long ago.
I think that was like what, 6-7 months ago?
Yeah.
Come on, Innu. Alright, so we are in Sakleshpur right now. We have just got off our vans and we are exploring the forests around over here. And guess what? We have just stumbled upon a stunning waterfall. It's a hidden waterfall. It at least sounds like a waterfall. And yeah, this is one of the reasons why we like to travel. All thanks to Yatra's advisory for recommending Sakleshpur to us.
Why didn't you go inside?
I just saw him slip, so I was scared. He just slipped and fell.
The water is really refreshing, chilly. The weather calls for it. Alright, so we're heading to a coffee plantation. Do you know how a coffee is made? Well, that's what we're going to figure out today. Karnataka is known for its coffee, and Sakleshpur has coffee plantations around. So, are you excited to see what the process of making coffee is?
Absolutely.
Alright, then let's go. Alright, so आज हम क्या देखने वाले हैं?
से कॉफी प्लांटेशन देखने वाले हैं।
Okay.
इधर 3 टाइप्स का कॉफी होता है।
Okay.
मैं अभी आपको रोबस्टा का कॉफी प्लांटेशन में
Robusta. Okay. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि कॉफ़ी ऐसे दिखती है। मतलब उसका जो ओरिजिनल फ्रूट होता है वो इतना कलरफुल होता है, बट ये तो बहुत सुंदर है। तो ये आप हमें दिखाओगे अभी ये कैसे उगता है?
कैसे उगता है, कैसे निकालते हैं, वो
वाह।
सब दिखाता हूँ।
ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सुंदर है और इसकी खुशबू भी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी है।
सर अभी एस्टेट में कॉफी प्लिकिंग का प्रोसेस चल रहा है।
ओके।
अभी इधर सब कॉफी निकाल रहे हैं।
कॉफ़ी निकाल रहे हैं।
हाँ, फर्स्ट ऐसा होता है कॉफी, बाद में एक एक करके प्लग करता है।
ओके, एक पीस
पीसेस नहीं, ऐसे बंच ही पुल
करते हैं। थोड़ा लाइट रेड है, ये थोड़ा डार्क रेड हो गया।
ये भी सेम है सर।
सेम है।
सेम है वो, क्योंकि सनलाइट की वजह से ऐसा होता है।
ऐसा होता है। ओके, सो इन जनरल what happens is the coffee from the time it's plucked from the tree, so firstly it takes about a year,
Yes.
you know, for the coffee bean to grow and ripen up and until it's plucked. So 1 year for the coffee to grow.
Yes.
Once the coffee grows,
Yes.
it is then plucked. It then goes through the pulper machine, and once it goes through the pulper machine, it is then dried and then roasted, and that's when you have your Robusta coffee. And mind you, this entire process takes 1 year. So that little bottle of coffee that you have, it's taken over a year of hard work, labor, and a lot of processes, you know, for it to come down to your kitchen. Alright, so what I'm cooking today is actually a surprise. So Apoorva actually doesn't know what I'm up to over here. She's just gone out for a quick walk and I managed to get all these ingredients and I'm like, you know, quickly cooking up a meal. I need another 30 minutes to, you know, get this rolling. Some nice veggies with some nice spaghetti and some arrabbiata sauce. So technically it would be a spaghetti arrabbiata, and that's what I'm actually making over here right now. And yeah, I have gathered all the right ingredients for that. I've got some mushrooms, some nice broccoli running, some zucchini, got some nice Roman tomatoes over here, So hoping that the whole thing comes out really well. Alright, so a day in a camper van. I've got my spaghetti boiling, I've got my vegetables chopped, I've got my Italian ingredients in place. That's my bedroom over there. That's my pillow. And just look at the view from out here, guys. This is absolutely magical. Like it?
Not bad.
Some nice arrabbiata spaghetti.
Yeah.
I really hope you enjoy it. Yeah? You mind if I join you for dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so I really hope you've enjoyed this episode, but there's a surprise for you. There are more episodes coming up in the series for Reason to Travel. We've had a lot of fun and I really hope you've enjoyed watching us experience this beautiful location in Sakleshpur. Do like, share, subscribe, do share it with your loved ones, and I hope to see you soon.